I've been sitting here trying to find myself. I get behind myself. I need to rewind myself. Looking for the payback, listen for the playback. They say that every man bleeds just like men. I feel like number one, yet I'm last in line. I watch my youngest son, it helps to pass the time. I take too many pills, that helps to ease the pain. I made a couple dollar bills, still I feel the same. Everybody knows my name, they say it way too loud. A lot of folks fuck with me, it's hard to hang out in crowds, sure is.